Welcome to ClearTask. Today we are fixing the Google Play payment error, OR-CCSEH-05. If you are getting the "Your request failed" message when trying to add a credit or debit card, here is the fastest way to fix it. First, double check the basics. Make sure your card number, expiration date, and CVV are typed correctly, and that the card has sufficient funds. But here is the updated trick most people miss: your billing address. Open your browser and go to pay.google.com. Click on Settings and make sure your name and address exactly match the information your bank has on file. A slight mismatch will trigger this error automatically. Also, make sure to turn off any active VPNs, as Google will block payments from mismatched regions. If your details are perfectly matched, the next step is clearing the app data. Open your phone's settings, scroll down to Apps, and find Google Play Store. Tap on Storage, then click Clear Cache and Clear Data. Do not worry, this will not delete your apps. It simply resets the payment gateway. Once you do this, restart your phone and try adding the card again. If the error is still showing up, the issue is a security block from your bank. Call your card issuer and ask them to authorize online transactions for Google Play. That is it for today's quick fix. If this helped you solve the error, drop a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more direct tech tutorials. See you in the next one.